Good morning, it's Paul again. It is March 18th, 2019, Monday morning. So let's see what's going on here. Got a lot to catch up with, but we'll see what we can get through in a short amount of time here. Let's see here. Okay, so today we start out with a condo. 1186 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a 2-car garage. 169,000. Interesting. Looks like it's just been refurbished too. Looks pretty nice. I like those doors. That door, I should say. Yeah, looks like they did a nice job on this thing. Okay, so it's looks like 3 units there. Okay, where is this? Get into the road map, make it a little easier to see. Stay in Charleston. Okay, up over there. Good. Then we have this guy here, Crescent Moon, 405,000, 2,600 square feet with a pool. No pictures yet. Tropical and Camino Eldorado. North, baby? Yep, way up north. Ayanta area. Okay. Let me see here. Okay, then we have yesterday a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 52,999 over on Swanson, 1977 built. Good old studio kinda. Yeah. Good little rental unit. Near something, I'm not sure what that is. Lots of parking over there. Pool. Oh, looks pretty good. That's down by the airport. Let's see where it is. Sunset in Paradise. Oh, great location. Yeah. University's here. Pretty nice. Pretty good location. Good location for somebody who's working in the service industry. Okay, then we have 1.5 million came on the market yesterday over on Club Vista. Almost 4,000 square feet with a pool and spa. Okay. Looks pretty nice. That looks pretty nice, nice and clean. Over here on, okay, in the Anthem Country Club. Okay, there we go. And Saturday, what do we have on Saturday? We have, that's out of the area. We have this little unit over here on Katy, 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 688 square feet, 99,900. Okay. Get a rental unit, I guess. Spencer and Twain. Maryland Park. Well, it's a decent area. It's pretty good. So let's go down to the next one. Saturday. 1.630 from Glenbrook Way. Oh, it's over in the lakes. Okay, nice drone shot. Big house. I like that. That's pretty nice. All open like that. Ooh, look at that master suite. Wow. It's the size of most houses. Wow, look at that sucker. Massive.
Good morning, agents. Rick Barabee will be in the bullpen from 9 to 10. Come on down if you're available. Thank you.
Pretty nice. So Heron Canyon right there in the lakes. Actually, the lake's right down here. Yeah, Pecolia Ranch. Nice place. Okay. So we're in this about 6 minutes. Let's see what else we got going on here. We have under contract now. 380. Okay. 265 sold. Price. Date. 16th. Okay, these were on, only two of them on Friday were reported. And a little single family home, 1,500 square feet. Nice picture. That one sold for 160. I wonder what the heck was wrong with that. Interesting. Property is owned by a hoarder. Oh. Wow. He probably sold in half a day, half a minute. He sold it himself. $160,000. Jeez. Wow. Okay. Then 1.575, 3,000 square feet. Pretty nice strip shot. Okay, it's good. Tranquil Peak. Highlands. Okay, that's good. 1.575, 3,000. That's $200 a square foot. Wow, pretty expensive. Okay, so the 15th, which was what, Friday? We had a manufactured home closed for $55,000. Okay. I think we looked at that on Friday. Let's see. Closings on Friday. Okay, so here we are. 207 between Friday and today. Wow, that's pretty good. Nice house here that sold on Friday. Look at that. A lot of greenery. House. Very nice. 8,000 square foot. Summerlin. Okay. Looks good. Well, that is it for now. So I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.